How do you fix Zenless Zone Zero is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. In the general tab, launch options, you'll need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and go to this link, which is in the description below. Now, if you scroll down to the redistributables table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, and you will need to install both of them, which will require a computer restart when you finish. And right after restarting your PC, all you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver updates installed. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on your GPU. And download and install the latest available driver update. Next, you'll need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.